Miss Maris. I am Leslie N. G. Conda. I am your trainer in Meditation Production here in Bay Island International School. So, first I am going to administer the data gathering for us to determine your learning style. Then, self-assessment check for us to determine your prior knowledge. Thank you. Okay, again, welcome to Bay Island International School. Okay, our class rules and regulation is written in your handbook, so kindly make time to read for you to be guided here in our schools. Okay, and competency-based training. Our competency-based training is emphasize what you can do, and it focuses the learning outcome, and it is concerned with the attainment and application of your skills, knowledge, and knowledge.
789.
782. Okay, your training will be taken from here in schools and to the industry. And competency-based training principles also allows the recognition of prior. So if you have your prior knowledge, so we can recognize that and you can have your advancement to the competency that you have your already knowledge. So the system allows for learner to enter next into program. Meaning, if you are late enrolled, you can still accept you as long as the training is not yet done. Okay, this is the training flow. This will be the training flow you are going to undergo for the whole training program. Okay, my role as a trainer, I am your team leader, your motivator, manage learning, your problem solver, and your evaluator. Okay, your role as a trainee, you have to be responsible of what you learn and when you have to learn the training here in the program. Ready-based production, NC2 has 3 competencies. We have the basic, the common, and the core. In core competencies, we have 5 core units of competency. Namely, prepare and produce bakery products. In bakery products, you have to prepare your bakery products. We have pandesal, loaves, soft rolls, and so on. And prepare and produce basic products, we have pineapple pie and tarts. And prepare and produce the 2 quarks and cake. Here we are going to prepare a cake, assemble a cake, and the fillings of a cake. Prepare and display metaphors. We have here a small bite cake, and dessert for the packaging materials of your products. So thank you. Okay, so now I am going to administer the pre-test for us to determine your baseline knowledge or your preparedness in this qualification or course. So please pass. Okay, thank you. The learning contract for us to ensure your commitment in the whole training program. Please pass. Okay, thank you. So, Ms. Masinas, based on your self-assessment check, you answered yes and prepared to this bakery product. May I ask now, where did you acquire those knowledge? Exhibition. Ma'am, can you please bring your certificate of employment for us to validate your skills? Like tomorrow. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, good morning. Good morning. Did everyone sign the attendance? Okay, where is Ms. Masinas? Okay, thank you. So, Ms. Masinas, where is your certificate of employment that I asked yesterday? Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, today, we're going to discuss the competency-based learning materials. This is our competency-based learning materials. Okay, the CBLM. This is the preliminary page that is talking on how to use the CBLM, the learning experience, the step-by-step instruction, and how to read and perform the activities. Okay, the information sheet, where the self-check and answer key will count, and the job sheet, we have the job sheet, the task sheet, and the operation sheet for your performance criteria. Check please. In in basic production, we have 9 areas in workshop. So kindly please all stand up. I have you the tour in our area. So ma'am, here, you have the distance learning area where you can enroll in online courses to acquire knowledge in other schools. We have the computer laboratory area where the basic competency or basic knowledge in computer. You have the contextual learning area for the underpinning knowledge of your science, math, and so if you have difficulties, you can come here to this area. You have the learning resource area. The learning resource area, this will provide you the knowledge requirements for modules, for various modules and corresponding competencies. You have the training activity matrix, where the learning competencies are listed in your names, where you are going to perform the competencies, the date, when and where you are going to perform those tasks. We have the achievement chart for the, as you can see in this chart, you can see the progress of your activities in different learning competencies. We have here the progress of your competencies in progress chart. Okay, here in our practical work area, please follow me. In practical work area, this is the heart of our training delivery. This is where you acquire your skill, knowledge, and also attitudes. So here we have the 3 different stations. We have the mixing station, the kneading station, and the baking area. And also we have the quality control. In quality control, this is where your finished product are being presented to see if your finished product is within the standards of the qualification. Institutional assessment area. In our institutional assessment area, it houses and manages your individual records and written and portfolio assessment are conducted here. We have the training resource area. In training resource area, here you can see the attributes on our present page 3. Support service area. Okay. In support service area, this is the value-added competency. So if there are tools and equipment that you didn't find in our practical work area, here in support service area, pwede nyo siya makahanap. So kindly please proceed. I will now assign you in different learning competency based on the result of your pre-test and self-assessment check. So Ms. Masinas, Ms. Maris, I will assign you in preparing for this basic product, station 1. And Ms. Masinas, I will assign you in prepare and produce bakery products. Since you said you have your prior knowledge in prepare and produce bakery products, this station 2. Sorry. So, Ms. Maris, you can now proceed at the learning resource area, read the CDLM, and after you are done with your CDLM, you can practice your task at the practical work area station 1 for your task. Thank you. Then, Ms. Masinas, you can proceed at our institutional assessment area for us to validate your skills. Okay, ma'am. Your certificate of employment is authentic for us to validate that you have the skills. Performance test will be given to you. We're going to prepare a soft roll. Okay. The soft roll, ma'am, must be prepared in parts. The shape must be evenly distributed. The color is golden brown. And then the taste must be well blended. So here's your performance test, ma'am. Please visit the practical work area station 1, and after that, please present your finished product at quality control area, and after that, I will give you a series of questions. Please proceed now. Ms. Maris, you are done with preparing your feelings in phase 3. You're done, Ms. practical work area. Okay now, for your question, why do you need to heat the oven before you using it? Thank you, very good. So, you answer all correct in your questions. For the, based on the performance criteria checklist, your softball that you prepare, so the shape is given to this muted, the color is golden brown, okay, and then the taste, it is well blended. So, congratulations, ma'am. I will now recognize your prior knowledge. Here is your certificate of achievement, and then I am preparing for this degree. You can now enroll in the next competencies. Okay, ma'am. Please proceed, ma'am, to the learning resource area. Read the CDL, and after that, you can proceed the practical work area stage for you to practice your class. Okay, ma'am. You prepare already the class. Okay, ma'am. Since based on the achievement chart, you already completed the task for preparing case SADA. You are now ready for the assessment. So please proceed to the execution of assessment. You are going to prepare ma'am a pineapple pie. Okay, your pineapple pie must be done in 2 parts. The grass must be flaky and the appearance is golden brown. The filling must be not too watery and not too dry. So here's your performance test now. Please proceed to the practical work area station 2, and then after that, please present your principal at quality control area, and I will give you a series of questions. See that you are done with your readings. Okay, ma'am, you're done with your pineapple pie. Please proceed that paper. Please proceed the instructions. Okay, ma'am, please, for your question, why do you need to heat the oven before using it? Okay, thank you, very good. Based on the performance criteria checklist, ma'am, the pineapple pie that we prepare is, the color is golden brown, okay? The crust is flaky. However, ma'am, when we open your pineapple pie, the filling is too watery, meaning your pineapple pie is not yet cooked. So there is an improper mixing happen. Here I'm going to teach you the practical work area. Okay. This is your measuring cup. To properly measure your fillings, it must be full for the cast. So, para ma-occupy niya yung buong space. And then, ito yung ating 1/2 for you to measure the ingredients properly. So, I will leave it here, ma'am, for you to practice your task. And if you are ready for the reassessment, just call me. Just notify me. Okay, Ms. Minas, I see that you are having difficulties in preparing your case. So, please follow me, so I'll show you some information. Okay, here's our PowerPoint presentation. Please, Ms. Minas. You just have to click next. For your we have also video presentation. Just click the source. Just wait for a while. Okay, for the video. with the PowerPoint presentation and the TV presentation, we can answer our computer-based exam. And then if we are done, we can proceed at the practical work area, station 1, and practice your task. Please proceed. If you're ready for the pre-assessment, please proceed to the institutional assessment. Miss, since you are going to prepare the pineapple pie, the same criteria. You are going to prepare the pineapple pie for 2 hours. The color must be golden brown. The filling must not too watery and not too dry. So here's your performance test. I'll give you 2 hours, and after that, please present your pineapple. We're done. Please put your okay, please see the institution. Based on the performance criteria checklist, the pineapple pie that is prepared, the appearance is golden brown. So, the grass is flaky. So, when we open your pineapple pie, the grass, the filling is not too watery and not too dry, meaning it is well cooked. So, congratulations, you are now competent in prepare and pastry product. You can now enroll to the next competency. Here's your certificate of achievement. You can now prepare your butter and eggs. Sorry, Miss Malis. Miss Malis, where's your next? Where do you want to go next? Okay, here in prepare and 2 hours per day. You can proceed at the learning resource area with the CDLM, and after you are done with that, you can proceed at the practical work area station. Practice your class. Okay, Ms. Masinas, since you completed the achievement part in preparing your case, you are now ready for the assessment. Please proceed to the institutional assessment. Ms. Masinas, you are going to prepare a Swiss roll. Swiss roll must prepare in 2 hours. The color of your Swiss, the icing of your Swiss roll must be evenly distributed. The filling must be evenly distributed, and the cells of your cake must be even. Okay, and the taste is not too sweet and not too dark. So here's your performance test, and after you are done, please proceed to the quality control area, and I will give you a series of questions to answer. Please proceed at the quality control area. Ms. Masinas, for your question, why do you need to preheat the oven before using it? Okay, thank you. So, based on the performance criteria checklist, the Swiss roll that you prepare, the icing is evenly distributed, the filling is evenly distributed, and the cell is even, so wala siyang mga butas-butas. And then, the taste is well blended. So, congratulations, ma'am. You are competent for prepare and display the good works and cake. Here's your certificate of achievement. You can now enroll in the next competency. Okay, Ms. Masinas, where do you want to enroll? Ms. Masinas, please proceed to the learning resource area in this station, and after that, please proceed at the practical work area, station 1, where you practice your class. Okay, good morning, class. Good morning. Since you are completed the achievement chart and you completed the achievement chart activities and you are now competent in the progress chart. I will now give you a post test for us to determine your, for us to measure your achievement and different learning competency you have. So here's your post test. Okay, thank you. I'll also give you the program evaluation for you to evaluate the whole training program, me as your trainer, the facilities, and the resources if it meets your expectations. So please pass, answer. Okay, since you are ready for the national assessment, here's your application form for the national assessment. Okay, you have to fill out the application form. Okay, you have to bring 2 pieces picture passport size by background with color and a 500 pesos for assessment fee and our assessment date. So your national assessment will be on October 13, 2016, 8 a.m. here in TESDA East. And your graduation will be on October 16, 2016 here also in TESDA